Hello students, we are again here with employability skill part 3, that is information and communication technology. Now in the last lecture we have done about input unit, CPU, output unit, types of memory and different types of ports. Today we'll see the remaining part of the chapter. Now let's start with basics of internet. Now for the internet you should know first of all what is internet. Now, internet is a global network of billions of computers and other electronic devices. With the internet, it is possible to access almost any information, communicate with anyone else in the world, and you can have much more type of information from the net. Come on the slides. To access internet, what do you want? You need World Wide Web. Usually, short में you can say कि this is called as web. What is web? It is a collection of different websites you can access through the internet. Come on the next slide. Now web browser. Now whenever you operate internet, you need a web browser. Now you open Opera, Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla Firefox or Internet Explorer on your computer, and you can open different type of websites according to that. So commonly you can say it as a web browser is a software application for using and sharing information on the World Wide Web. Now let's go to next slide. Next slide is about website. Now what is website? Now website is made up of related text, images and other resources. Now the purpose of the website is to give the information about any platform, any advertisement, any online library or any type of images that you want to share or any type of educational site. So come on the next slide. Next slide may uses of internet are there. Now there are millions of uses that you can make use from net, but we are going to discuss here only some of the few uses. The first use is about search information. Now you can get the latest information about anything that is uploaded on the web, whether it is a result, news about an earthquake, a cricket match at the or any type of election details. Next is email and chatting. Now email and chatting में you can talk or send messages to people all around the world quickly and easily, like for example through Gmail or any other mail जो भी आपने install की होगी. Next is a social networking site. Now as you all know, nowadays Facebook and Twitter, these are the common social networking sites that everybody is making use of. Now with the help of these sites, what do? You send instant messages to your friends and relatives. एक मिनट में ही आप सारी खबरें इधर उधर पहुंचा देते हो. So this all is possible with the help of social networking sites. Can also do shopping with the help of net facility. Now you can buy and sell products. You can also pay for these products via digital modes. You know what are the digital modes, ठीक है? Then comes your online booking. Now online booking में you can have the bookings of airlines or railway reservation. You can come to know the current status, what is the requirement for the tickets, ठीक है? How many seats are vacant, all this current status you can come to know through online booking. The next topic is about your online learning. Now nowadays many educational CDs or softwares are available on net, so you can do a course of your choice and gain informative knowledge from there. Then comes your online banking. Now you can do banking operations like checking details of your bank. You can do banking operation like checking details of your bank account or transferring money from account to another mobile banking, that is through NEFT or RTGS. So let's go on the next slide. Now next slide we are going to discuss about the how to make connection to the net. If you want to have connection to the net, what are the requirements? को क्या क्या ज़रूरत है? So the first thing you need is the modem. Now what is the full form of modem? It is modulator demodulator. What is its purpose? Its purpose is to convert analog signals to digital. ठीक है? Then comes your telephone lines. Now telephone lines, these are used to carry signals from one place to another. Next requirement is the ISP services. ISP services आप लेते हो BSNL वालों से, Reliance या BSNL वालों से. Now these, like your telephone company that suppose your phone service, ISP also give access to the internet. ठीक है? Then next is your TCP IP support. TCP IP means Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol. Now this is a computer language that enables computers to communicate with one another. Next comes your internet browser. We have already discussed in the previous slide कि for just getting access to any type of data you need a browser, and with the help of the browser you can access the data, like for example Google Chrome, Net Explorer or Mozilla. Through these you can just explore your data. The next topic we are going to discuss is about introduction to email. Now electronic mail, everybody knows, and you are also making use of this. It is a message sent over the internet from one person to another, and it consists of lines of text and images. Now next slide we are just going to see about the difference between postal mail and email. Now postal mail और email में क्या difference है? Now postal mail, it is a street, city or a geographical location, whereas email, it is a digital location on a mail computer. ठीक है? Now postal mail, if you want to send, you need a paper and a pen, whereas if you want to send an email, you only need a computer or a mobile device. Now to send the postal mail, you need a bus, air or train, but email, it is sent in a digital format over an internet connection. Now postal mail is always brought by the postman, whereas email comes into the box of the receiver's email account. So these are the general differences between postal mail and email. Now next slide में we are going to discuss कि if you want to create a Gmail account, ठीक है, अगर आपके पास यूज़र अकाउंट नहीं है, if you want to create it, how will you do it? First of all, you will go in Gmail. When you go in Gmail, you will get this type of page, create your Google account. Now here on this page, you are just going to fill your name, username, password, the one you want to keep, ठीक है, and then after filling all the details, you will fill your submit button or send button, ठीक है. After doing this thing, you will be able to create an account. So let's do this in Gmail also. Let's try how to open an account in Gmail and how to make use of the page. So let's go in Gmail. First of all, I'll type here Gmail. After I go in Gmail, you will get this type of page. ठीक है. Now here first of all, let me tell you that this is the inbox. ठीक है. If I click on inbox, I will get the several options of the messages that I have received. Whatever messages I have received, that I'll get it in my inbox. Now let's say if you want to compose the mail, ठीक है, किसी को mail भेजनी है, you will click on compose, ठीक है. Then after you click on compose, you will get this type of screen. Now here first of all, you can write in two में you can type the address of the person to whom you want to send the mail. Then comes your CC option. Now CC option, it stands for carbon copy. Now CC messages is an email that is copied to one or more recipients. अगर एक से ज़्यादा recipients को आपने message भेजना है, then you have to click on CC options, ठीक है. Then next is BCC. BCC, it stands for blind carbon copy. Now when you place email address in the BCC field of a message, those addresses are invisible to the recipients of the email. ठीक है, other people will not be able to see you have sent the messages. Next is subject. What is the use of this subject? Subject में you can write the main topic of the email message, and after here in the empty screen you can just type your message. ठीक है, you can type your message and you can just click on send button. Now if you want to attach any file, you can just click on this attachment file button. Now when you click on this attachment file button, you can just browse any file from the document, click open, see this file is attached, so you can just click on send and your mail will be sent. So this was how you have to make use of the mail. So this was all for today. Till that time, stay safe, stay healthy and happy learning.